and now you've gotten into a second accident within 1 mile of the first accident that you got into.
I don't care what if the fact that I'm drinking. I was on my way home. I'll find out where you live. I called for help and I got arrested. Out the door. Do I get a mug shot?
Yes. You don't control me.
My dollars do.
On May 15th, 2023, officers responded to an area following a report of a vehicle crashing into another car in a supermarket parking lot. The driver was reportedly under the influence with multiple witnesses on scene.
Hi, how are y'all doing?
Just stop the help. I was going to move it out of her way for her if she was able to move.
Okay, so y'all don't know her? All right.
I just called her relatives for her.
I made the phone call to the police.
Yes, sir.
So I was in Winn-Dixie parking lot, and a Puerto Rican guy in a Mercedes-Benz hit my car, and I called the police over there. And he was trying to say that, and I said, "You hit my car." I said, "You hit my car." I had been sitting there for an hour and a half, and I said, "You hit my car." He said, "No, you hit my car." I said, "No, I didn't hit your car. You hit my car." So he said, "You hit my car." I'm calling the police. I called the police. I videotaped him. And he walked around the Winn-Dixie, and then he just decided he was gonna. I left. He said, "You a mad black woman that's drinking." I said, "Yeah, I'm on my way home. At the end of my day, I'm going home, but you hit my car." So he drove his Mercedes into my, and I said, "You hit my car, so I'm calling the police on you."
But he didn't hit your car. You
no,
hit his
he
car.
did hit my car. I was not even parked.
His car is parked.
No,
since 9 o'clock
I
in the
was
morning.
parked. I was parked.
Ma'am, his car's been parked there since 9 o'clock this morning.
Okay, so let me close my door. So,
Nope,
so clearly,
not closing your door.
Clearly, you're not hearing me. You're not hearing me.
Okay.
I parked my car. He came out to the car, and I said, "You hit my car."
Ma'am, there's
Okay.
video.
Okay, well, good. I'm glad.
And his car was parked there since 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, does he work at Winn-Dixie?
No,
Does
he
he work at
takes a
Subway?
bus.
Does he work at?
He takes a
What is
bus to his job
What
in
does
the
he
morning.
work? What does he? So what do I take a plus to my job? So what plus does he take that I didn't take?
What?
What plus did he take that I didn't take?
Nobody said anything about
You
plus.
said he take a plus to his job.
No,
I asked
said
you a
he
question.
takes a
What
bus.
plus did he take to his
Ma'am,
job?
are you under the influence of anything?
Is that no? I'm asking a question.
I didn't say plus.
I asked you a
said-
question. What plus did he take to his job that I didn't take to mine? Answer the question.
Ma'am,
Answer the question.
okay, if you really want to go
Answer the
this way?
question. No,
This is
I
how this
asked you a
wants to go?
question. I asked you a question. What plus to his job that I didn't take to
Okay,
my
do me
job?
a favor, ma'am. Step out of the car.
No, I'm not doing that.
Ma'am, I'm telling you to step out of the car. Ma'am,
TJ.
please step out of your vehicle. Hello? Can you hear me? I would really not like to put hands on you and pull you out of the vehicle.
You will not put hands on me.
I'm
Because at
telling
this
you.
point, I'm calling Tony Jones.
That's perfectly fine, ma'am.
And I'm calling
That-
Sherry. I'm calling Cynthia.
That is perfectly fine,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's
I'm giving
fine.
you a lawful order to
No,
please step out
there's
of your
no
vehicle.
reason for me to step out of my car because I'm in my car, minding my business. I had a person put their hands on me and run their vehicle into my car.
Ma'am, I am telling you to step out of your vehicle. I am doing a criminal
Please.
investigation
Do
for driving
not.
under the influence.
Do not make this.
You are making this harder than it needs to be. Please step out of your vehicle. Please step out of your
What's your
vehicle. My
name?
name is Officer Millman, badge
Millman
1129.
And Ripley.
Yep.
And what is your name? What is your name?
You don't.
Ma'am,
He's not a police officer.
I know he's not a police officer. I know who he is.
ma'am, please step out of your
But
vehicle.
No.
I'm
Hold on,
informing you that
hold
I'm
on.
concerned
Hold
that
on.
you are driving
No,
under the influence.
No.
I will give you all of the reasons why I'm concerned that you are driving under the
okay,
influence
hold on,
because I have
hold on.
witnesses at the Winn-Dixie parking lot who said that you were under the influence. You drove into someone's car in the Winn-Dixie parking lot and then you left the scene without providing your information. And now you've gotten into a second accident within 1 mile of the first accident that you got into. Because of all of those reasons, I believe that you are under the influence and I'm trying to conduct an investigation. I am now asking you to step out of the vehicle. I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle one more time. Then I'm going to tell you to step out of the vehicle. And then I'm going to make you step out of the vehicle.
So this is the person. So this is Officer. What's your name?
My name is Officer Millman.
Okay.
And for the 5th time, I am
Okay.
asking you to step out of your
So
vehicle.
it's not the 5th time.
It is
So
the 5th
I
time.
was in. So here I am.
And we're recording as well, so it's
I'm
going to show you
recording. I'm
how
glad
many
you're
times
recording
we've
because
asked you
black
to step
women
out
and
of the
black
vehicle.
men, they die in police observance.
I have not been rude
So,
to you. I have been very polite to
I
you.
said to
and
you,
I've
Please
asked
step
you
out.
to please step out of the
I
vehicle.
called the police because a man hit my car, and I called the police on him because he hit my car.
Okay, well, you were not there when we responded.
I
Which
know I
means you
wasn't there
left the
because I
scene.
was trying to go to my home. So I called him. Here's a Mercedes-Benz. I took his picture. I took his tag number. And because he hit my car.
I'm going to ask 2 more times.
No, you can't ask me. You can't ask me. I'm in my car.
Ma'am.
I'm
I'm gonna ask you
drag
again.
me out. Drag me out.
I'm going to ask you again.
Drag me out.
Please
Drag me
step out of the
Drag me
vehicle.
out of my car.
Please step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not stepping out of my car because I haven't done
Okay,
anything wrong.
I am telling you now, I am going to give you a lawful order to step out of the
So
vehicle.
Cynthia.
I'm giving you a lawful
And
order
Tony
to
Jones.
step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am,
That's fine. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem.
Put your hand behind your back.
I don't have a problem.
Okay.
I don't have a problem.
Okay.
I don't have a problem.
Perfect. Now I'm going to roll you over so we can
No,
have you stand up.
hold on. You're not gonna drag me. You're not gonna turn
I'm
me
not
over.
going to
No,
drag
you will
you.
not. You will not.
I
will not. You will not.
Ma'am, I'm going to roll you over to stand you
will
up.
not. You will not.
let's just roll her over and then we'll go.
Roll
Go
over.
ahead.
Set up.
So do it. That's fine.
3, 2, 1, up.
So a Puerto Rican man hit my car and called the police on me. Hold on. So a Puerto Rican man. No, you can't tell me to stop. You think that's free speech? That's free speech. You can't stop my free speech. That's free speech.
Sit in
You
the
can't
vehicle.
stop my free speech.
Sit in the vehicle.
My free speech is a Puerto Rican man hit my car in the windows of the parking lot, and I called the
Sit
police
in
on
the
him.
vehicle.
And now you're arresting me.
Sit in the vehicle. Thank you.
What's your name?
Officer Millman for the 3rd time. Officer Millman for the 3rd time.
Oh, how long you been on the horse?
Long enough.
No, you ain't been on there long enough.
Okay.
You ain't been on there long enough. You been on there, what, 2 years?
Longer than that.
Oh, longer than that? Oh, you been on there longer than that? Okay. Well, you're good. You're a good pussy.
Tell me what happened.
I was just sitting waiting for the light to change, and she was coming down pretty quick, and then all of a sudden she decides she wants to turn down this road, and she just turned right into me.
Okay.
I'm sorry, and all this. And I'm like, well, I gotta call the cops anyway because
Yeah. Alrighty.
No, don't already me. Because he hit my car, he turned out farther than I turned in, and he hit my car. And you want to say that I hit his car? No, I did not. He turned out. I don't care what if the fact that I'm drinking. I was on my way home. He was over that line.
Okay.
And I know he was over that line. So what? So take the black woman to jail. Go ahead. I'm good.
Okay.
No,
I saw
here.
now.
No, don't say nothing to me.
Okay, well, I have to read this to you.
No,
so-
you ain't got to say nothing to me. You can call my attorney, and you can do that because
That's
you're wrong. You're
That's
wrong.
perfectly fine.
No, you can't say nothing to me because his ass turned out, he was over the line, and he turned out ahead of me. He turned out ahead of me. He was over the line, and he turned out ahead of me. And that's why his car came into my car, because I turned in. Now, so do with your due diligence, Officer Milano. Do your due diligence.
I'm trying.
No, you can't because you wrong. Because he wrong and y'all wrong. Y'all wrong. So let me hit you with this. So call my attorney. That's the only thing you could do.
Okay.
No,
So by accepting
baby girl,
the
so call my
privilege
attorney.
of
I'm calling the attorney
operating a
because
motor vehicle
the Puerto Rican
within
man
this
that was in
state,
Windy's parking
you have
lot, they
given-
hit my car. He hit my car, and then he called. I turned into this parking lot, and this white man on this parking and this intersection, he turned out too far. He was over the line. And then he hit my car. And then he wanted to call the police and say I hit his car. I did not hit his
refusing the
So I'm not accepting. I'm not
operating a
accepting
motor
anything.
vehicle within
I'm
this
not
state,
accepting
you have
anything.
given
You a
implied
liar.
consent
You
to
a
submit
liar.
to
You a
lawful
liar.
test
You a
of your
liar.
breath,
You a
urine,
liar.
or blood.
You a liar.
If you refuse to submit to a
I
lawful
refuse
test
everything
of your breath,
and
urine,
anything
or blood,
because you a liar.
privileged to
Because you
operate a
and
motor vehicle will be
you're a
suspended
liar.
for a period of 1 year
Yeah,
for
no,
a first
you're a
refusal,
liar.
or 18
You're a liar.
months
I
if your privilege has previously been suspended as a result of a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine,
I
or
don't care
blood.
what you say. You a
Additionally,
liar
if
because
you
all
refuse to
you
submit
a
to a
liar.
lawful
GPD is
test
a
of
liar.
your breath, urine,
Scott
or
is a
blood,
liar.
and if
All
your
y'all is a
driving
liar.
privilege has
You can say
previously
what
been
you want to say,
suspended
but I
for
know
a
all
prior
y'all is a
refusal
fucking
to
liar.
submit
You're a
to a
fucking liar.
lawful test
I
of
own
your
a
breath,
business.
urine,
I run
or
a
blood,
business.
you will be
You
committing misdemeanor of the
that
first
Puerto
degree.
Rican man
Refusal to
hit
submit
my
to a
car.
lawful
And
test
you want to
of your
arrest me
breath,
because the
urine,
Puerto
or
man
blood
hit my car?
is admissible in
He
any
hit my
future
car.
related court proceedings.
He hit my car.
Will you take a breath, urine, or blood test?
No.
Okay.
No, I ain't doing shit. He was over the line.
You have the right to remain
He was
silent.
over
Anything
the
you say
line.
can
He was
and will
over
be
the
held
line.
against you in the
He
court
was
of
over
law.
the line.
You have the right
And
to
he knew
talk
he
to
was
a
over
lawyer
the
and have
line.
them present
He
with
was
you
over
while
the
you're being
line.
questioned.
He
If
was
you cannot
over
afford
the
to hire a
line.
lawyer,
He's
one
a
will be
liar. I
appointed
did not
to
hit his
present you
car.
before any questioning
He
is
was
wished.
over the line.
You can decide
He
at
was
any time
over
to
the
exercise these rights
line.
and not
He
answer
was
any
over
questions or
the
make any
line.
statements. Do you understand
He
your
was
rights?
over the line. He was over the line.
Are you?
He was over the line.
You're good. I want you to just try and
He was
calm her
over
down.
the line.
She's a little agitated, and I just have to.
No, I'm not agitated. He was over the line. So now you want me to comply because these got me in handcuffs? So you want me to comply because his ass is over the line?
But you know what? You know what you told Vince about that?
Okay, it's back.
And you know what I'm saying? See, that's what I'm saying. That ain't gonna get you nowhere.
No, he was
we talked
over the
about that.
line.
Okay,
He was
we talked
over the
about that.
line, and that's why his car entered with my car because he was over the line.
Okay,
And then I called the man in Winn-Dixie parking lot because the man in Winn-Dixie parking lot hit my car. I called the police in Winn-Dixie parking lot because the man in Winn-Dixie parking lot hit my car. And I called the police because he hit my car. And then he was like, "Oh, you a black woman. You drinking." I said, "What are you talking about?" And he was like, "I'm gonna call the police on you because you a black woman and you a drinking." I said, "Well, call the police on me." So I left. And then I came down here and he was over the line. And then he was over the yellow two strips of line. And the guy in the black, that car right there in the blue car.
Yeah.
The guy in the blue car was over the double line. The guy in the blue car was over the double line.
The guy right here?
Yes. And now he wants to call the police and say, "Oh, well, I'm going to call the police." I said, "Well, call the police, sir, because you're over the line." I said, "I don't have a problem with it." I was sitting there, and he drove his Mercedes.
Ma'am.
No, you
I'm
can't.
telling you.
No,
Put your foot
you
down.
drove. He drove his Mercedes into my car.
Calm down.
But now that you're here, I'm not going to tow her vehicle. She was involved in 2 accidents today within half a mile of each other. She hit a car in the Winn-Dixie parking lot. She left. She made it half a mile down the road before she hit this car. Both the vehicles that she hit were stopped and parked when she hit them. She refused to comply with any of my options to have her get out, provide her information. I was very nice. I asked her, please, honestly, probably 15 times before I had to pull her out and put her in cuffs. So there's only so much that I can do. Driving under the influence hurts and kills a lot of people. I can smell the alcohol coming off her. She already admitted to drinking. So we have to, at this point, she's tied my hands in this situation. So I'm not going to tow the car. There is going to be an accident report completed for this accident that's here. Luckily, the other accident where she hit the car in the parking lot was on private property, and the other person whose car that she hit did not want to go through with the report. So she's going to be going today for driving under the influence. She's not going to catch leaving the scene of an accident charge because he didn't want to report over there.
She's got it.
Irma, what you?
I'm going to roll the window down so you can just try and calm her down because she's the only.
Irma, you need to calm down.
You're making it worse. Calm down.
Yeah, it's unlocked.
What
now.
did you tell Vincent? What did you tell Vincent? You're going to get more time. What did you tell Vincent?
You're lying.
What did
You
you
need
tell
to calm
Vincent?
down.
What did you tell Vincent?
That's
did you
You
tell
have to
Vincent?
calm down. Is what you have to
See how
do.
that stuff?
Liars.
You still have to
I
calm down.
don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I'ma tell the truth all day long. I'ma tell the truth all day long. I'ma tell the truth all day long. Don't shut me up.
Man, if you talking like you have some sense, they won't set you up. Why you talking like that? You told Vincent, then you tell Vincent not to talk like that.
I'ma tell the truth.
Well, that ain't the way to do it.
I'ma tell the truth.
That's the way to do it.
I'ma tell the truth.
Did you tell Vincent not talking like that?
I'ma tell the truth.
If that's Casey, then.
If I'm a black woman, I call the police on him, and he said he called the police on me, and then he called the police on me because I'm a black woman. I'm gonna get arrested because I'm a black woman.
Right now, you
So
like you should.
I'm gonna call the police on you because you led into my car.
You're not acting like Irma. You're not acting like Irma. If you act like Irma, maybe stuff would be different.
I said, no, you ran into my car. I'm calling the police on you. I'm calling the police on you because you ran into my car. I said,
I'm gonna
You're
get.
not acting like Irma. You know what I'm saying? What you told Vincent, listen to me.
I said, I'm gonna call the police. I got rights. I got rights because he hit my car.
Irma.
He hit my car.
All right, well, I'll tell you what.
And I called the police.
I have her daughter on the phone. She said, does she have to be arrested? I mean,
She's tied her hands. Like, there's 2 accidents within the distance. She's refusing to comply with us. She's
2 accidents.
Go ahead.
And she's admitted to an officer drinking. He smells alcohol coming off her voice. Or coming to.
Hold on a second. Can she speak to her if I put her on speakerphone?
Depends. I don't know when he's about to leave. Let me ask.
I'm still that.
Oh no, he's about to leave.
He's going.
Yeah.
You think you got a job? You think Tony Jones gave you a job? You think Chestnut gave you a job? Sherry gave you a fucking job? You own your little phone call, bitch. I work at the city. Pay your bills. And I'll find out where you live.
Is that a threat?
I sure will.
So are you threatening me?
No, I'm not threatening you, not at all. Not at
Sounds
all.
like a threat.
I'm not threatening you.
Okay.
I am not threatening you.
Well, be careful what
I'm
you
not
say.
threatening you. I am not threatening. So let me be clear. I am not threatening you. I am telling you that you ain't shit.
That's fine.
You're not ours yet. You're still his.
Okay. So who is your boss?
You're still being his customer.
Who is your boss?
You can get her out.
Who is your
We're gonna
boss?
settle it out. You got to.
Who is your boss?
Hop on out, Irma.
Who is your boss?
Irma, we're not gonna do this again. I already had to put you on the ground
I
once.
ask a question.
She said, Lieutenant Holmes.
No. I can get out.
Perfect, get out.
Okay.
I'm patting you down so you continue to come inside the jail. That's it.
Okay, I'm
You're
getting
going to be in
out.
his custody still.
Okay. Well, you want to call Watson? Okay. I'm
Once he sees you and gets you all taken care of.
Sit down.
I need a tissue to wipe my nose.
Okay,
I asked you a
sit down. Thank you.
You hit my car. I saw you hit your car. What you talking about? I called the police on you. Oh, because I haven't told you you have a Mercedes. You call the police on me? One person hits my car, and I call the police on him, and you arrest me. Because I'm off work. I probably deliver flowers to your mother. I'm a florist. I deliver flowers for the last freaking 2 weeks. I deliver flowers to every freaking body's mothers. I'm a florist. I'm a designer. I do flowers. I have worked meticulously delivering flowers to parents and mothers. I take one freaking day, and this guy hits my car, and I call the police on him, and because he's Puerto Rican and I'm black, I get arrested. I have worked Saturdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sunday. I worked 15 hours delivering flowers, making flowers, delivering flowers, and making flowers to every body mom, except my own.
You refuse to take the test. I have requested
Test on what?
the consent to the breath test. You refuse to take the test.
What test? What test are you talking about? I'm listening. What
We're
test?
doing a breath test. Alright?
Okay. Okay, what's your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I ain't taking no test.
But do you understand what I read to you?
I don't understand what you're saying. I ain't taking no test. I don't care about the rest of it. I'm a wedding planner. I make flowers. I probably sent flowers to your mama over the weekend. Why did he get arrested?
Because you're driving while after
No. He hit my car. I called the police because he hit my car.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here.
Oh, you wanna hang out? Sit down. Take a seat.
No, we're about to leave.
Hey,
We're about to go.
oh, you about to go?
No,
Why
we're
now?
about to go. We're gonna go to the hospital now.
We ain't going to the hospital.
No,
For what?
we are going to the hospital.
For what?
So that you can get checked out.
I'm fine.
I know. So when we get to the hospital, just tell the doctors that you're fine and we can go in and they'll send you right back out and it'll be great.
Yeah. And let me talk to you all the way there. Let me tell you how much of a punk you is. Open the door.
That's not very nice.
I don't care. Yeah, you weren't very nice because a man hit me in my car and you arrest me and not arrest a white man. I don't care. After no police coming for over an hour, I decide to leave and go home. Another white man hits my car and we both call the police. But I get arrested. We talk in our meetings consistently how you abuse your powers. That's part of the primary reason why most of you are officers, because you like to abuse powers. That's the issue you guys got. And women. Some of y'all are women. But y'all like to abuse your powers. You have a power struggle. You ready?
Ready.
Can I put my foot out?
Yes. Come on.
One or two?
You're gonna put them both out so you can walk into the emergency room.
Okay, we go to the emergency room.
Yup.
Okay. Well, I'm only 5'2", so I have to jump.
Okay, well I'm not gonna let you fall.
Andrew.
Yeah. Doing good now?
Oh, we doing good. We're doing so good, you're gonna wish you never knew my name. You're gonna have your job and you're gonna move to another county.
Oh no, I really started liking this
The
county.
county you came from. You know I know.
Yeah, what county did I come from?
You gonna be in a cup for us? No. You have a history? No. Sorry, you're right. I'm gonna make this your work night. No, and no. Cool.
Alright, put your feet up.
Bye.
You put your feet up and you lay down. I'm gonna take one of the cuffs
Well,
off.
take the cuffs off.
Well, you gotta put your feet up and lay down.
For what? I don't want to lay down.
Well, you gotta
I'm
lay
gonna sit
down.
right here. You can take my cuffs off.
Alright, well.
No.
Alright, then you can sit there with the cuffs
well,
on.
that's perfectly fine.
Alright.
What's your name?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I think I heard this very minor fender bender.
Yeah, so there was actually
Very
two
minor.
accidents.
So I
The
called the
first-
police on the guy that hit me in the Winn-Dixie parking lot, and I called the police, but no police came. So I decided I would drive myself home, and I called, the guy was on 23rd Avenue, and he hit my car. So I called the police again, and the police came, but they arrested me instead of arresting the first white guy or the second white guy. They decided they was going to arrest the black girl.
Okay, I hear you.
Yeah,
Do you-
I'm not, no.
Has there been?
No.
Was it the same
No.
person?
No.
Irma.
Do we even have her in the system?
No.
Are you having any medical issues?
No.
Okay. Do you need to stay in the hospital?
No.
Yeah,
Are you
so
having
we
any
went
medical
through
problems?
She refused
Okay.
breath test, refused everything. She's refusing
No,
everything.
you're right, Andrew.
So,
I'm contesting
but
everything,
the jail
Andrew, and I'm going to have
requested
your
that
job.
if we can do the
You're right.
pregnancy test for when we go back. If not, or she refuses, as long as we put that on there that she refused.
You're
The
absolutely
two
right.
accidents, the first one was literally like she was in a parking spot and pulled too far forward and bumped the car.
I didn't pull too far forward. He pulled.
And then
I was
she
there
left,
already, and he
and then
pulled
she
in
was
front of
making
me.
a turn at
And I called the
probably
police because he
5
bumped my
miles an hour,
car.
and she took the turn too wide and rubbed.
No, the first. No, you're lying. You're
Both
lying.
the cars that she hit
You
were
are
stopped.
lying.
I would say the max.
I was
miles
parked
per
there
hour was
already.
Like 5 miles an hour.
I was getting my nails done. I was already parked there. He
So-
pulled into the parking space and bumped my car. I called the police because he bumped my car, and no police came. Don't lie.
Is there a chance that you're pregnant?
What? No.
Okay. Are you willing to do a pregnancy
No.
test just to confirm? Okay. Can you just humor me and tell me where we are right
I ain't
now?
humoring shit, but this mother out of this room.
I mean, he's gonna have to
He
come
got
back.
to go. He got to go because he's a liar.
He's gonna have to
He's
come back. Or
lying.
we can chat with him.
He's making me come back. Yes, go.
Okay.
I see it on TV all the time, God, but I never thought it would be me.
I just gotta make sure that you're medically okay. One of the things that we
I called the police because I needed help. I called the police because I needed help, and they arrested me because I called for help.
none of the
I
conversation.
called for help and I got
Unfortunately, I
arrested.
can't
None of
use
the
my
conversation me
1015
you're gonna
right
have
now.
gonna change anything about that. I can't do anything for you on that. What I can do is I need to get a urine from you, make sure that you're not pregnant before you go to the jail. In which, if you refuse, we just write out you refuse, and then you're still gonna go to jail. So nothing changes on that. And I need to ask, is your shoulder better since we got your arm out from the
My shoulder is hurting.
Okay, you want me to get an x-ray your shoulder?
My shoulder is hurting because I told him not to put my hand because behind my back. I tried to tell him and
I can't help what happened before you got here. I'm asking you a question. You
Thank
show
you. I'm
her
sorry.
first.
You
You
said
talk to
do that
doctor,
on
you get
channel
it.
1.
Yes.
I couldn't hear you. She was screaming. Thank you.
I want him outside. Outside the door. Outside the door. I want him outside the door. I said no.
That is not your fault.
It is my call.
No, it's not.
I'm a patient. Yes, I am.
You're not. You're
No, I don't care. He can have custody out the door.
By our rule, he
Outside
stays in the room.
by my rule, as a patient, he goes outside
Doesn't
the door.
really matter what you want in this matter. You're in police custody. You don't have that option. So you can sit there and scream. You can scream as much as you want. It's not going to change it.
He goes outside the door.
No, he doesn't. He stays right here in the door.
My medical insurance
Doesn't pay for this. It
Yes,
goes on their bill.
does.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does. I
No,
have
it does not.
government insurance.
Well, it's not paying for this ride. They are.
They don't pay for it.
They will on this
And
one.
my taxes pay for everything.
That's great.
I have police rights and I have hospital rights. And my rights as a patient and my rights as a citizen says your ass is out the door. I have only asked for my rights. So you nor the hospital have any rights. So what you don't know is I have a hospital administrator that sits on the board of the hospital. So let him walk his little ass right back on up in here. When I tell you, you need not know who you messing with. Andrew, you have your camera on? Is your camera on?
You're being extremely rude to everybody.
I'm asking you a question. Is your camera on?
Yep, it's on.
Good. I need to make sure that your camera is on consistently. Are you texting? You texting your wife? You texting your children? You texting your family? Are you doing something that's conducive to your job? Are you just on Facebook? So here's the thing. If you're not doing something on your phone that's not conducive to your job, you should not be doing it. What are you doing? Are you on your Facebook? Are you on your TikTok? What are you doing? So what you're doing on your phone is not conducive to your job.
Okay.
It's not conducive. Okay, that's
Doing
fine.
paperwork.
Yeah, I'm on paperwork. Put me on paperwork. But guess what? I'm on camera too. And you on paperwork. Are you looking up police reports? Are you looking up police anything?
Yeah. Training videos.
Training. You are in training. Training. I should have known. You know what? I suspect that's why your ass was there on. That's why you was there, because you were in training on a Monday. So that's what. So we know we have like the police routings, and I know like y'all time frames when y'all go in and go out, and I should have known this was a training. He came that time of day when I sit on the police boards and we talk about how we put y'all out. Y'all shifts.
Yeah, you know what shifts we work?
I sure do.
Okay, what shifts we work?
What you tell me?
Well, you knew.
You knowledgeable, Barney. You knowledgeable, Barney.
I work them, obviously. I know.
Well, then tell me. I
you
already
said
know, so you tell me. Tell me. Since you're knowledgeable, Barney.
Let's just get your little x-ray done so we can go.
Yeah, well, let's go ahead. Get that done. Take it out the door and tell them how much longer it's going to be. Is that work-related?
Yeah, it's my boss again.
Okay. As long as it's work-related, then you're fine. I'll definitely be looking up your history on your phone.
Yeah? You're going to need a warrant.
Oh, that's not hard to ascertain. Ooh, I'm going to get some jailhouse blues. This is going to be fun. Do I get a mug shot?
Yes.
I get a freaking mug shot. How is this going to wait? Boy, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. I even get a mug shot. What you say?
Are y'all?
She's very happy that she gets a
I'm
mug
getting a mug shot, girl.
I thought I was laughing.
I was laughing. Yeah, I was laughing.
I was just making sure.
I was laughing, girl, because guess what, girl? I get a mug shot. Listen.
Are you gonna make sure you look good?
I ain't got no lipstick on, but I'm gonna lay my head to the side. They gonna make me take my bobby pins out and take my pins out, but that's okay. I get a mug shot, girl.
Maybe you can just kind of wet your face a little bit.
They ain't gonna let me wet my face. That's why I will clear my eyeliner away.
Make sure you smell real pretty.
Real pretty, Chad.
You can kind of like, oh wait, you can't aim.
Dick Tracer can't smile. Bond 5, he can't smile. He Bond 5 will be in the back.
That's me,
That's
by
you.
the way.
You Bond 5. Dick Tracer, he had shit to do today, but arrest a black woman that was calling the police on somebody who hit her car.
I thought we...
Arrest me. Okay.
If you have to take one, make it look good.
If I have to take one, I'm gonna make it look good.
That's all that matters.
And we're gonna be the first appearance together. Cause y'all don't really arrest people, you know, that sit out of Walmart and Publix and, you know, our tax dollars keep going up. Cause y'all ain't got nothing else to do but ride around in neighborhoods that y'all really don't police. You the police. Your ass should be on the boards, seeing on what's going on in Gainesville. That's what you should be, up and down University Avenue when the drunken students.
So you do want me to enforce drinking and driving then?
I do want you to enforce it. Of course I do want you to enforce it, but guess what? Today was not the day because guess what?
Because
he
you
pulled
got
out
caught?
in front of me. No, absolutely not. Because he pulled over the line. Don't try me. And I told you from the beginning that he pulled over the line and he hit my car. You should have came the first time when I called you in the Winn-Dixie parking lot.
I did go to Winn-Dixie.
You did not.
I did.
No police showed up.
Yeah, it's because
the guy drove off. The guy left.
No, he didn't, because I talked to
The guy
him.
in the Mercedes-Benz SUV
Mm-hmm.
pulled away.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. I saw him. I stood there.
Okay, well, I talked to him in the Winn-Dixie
Well, I'm glad
parking
you
lot.
talked to him. But I stood
And he
there.
showed me the picture of you hitting his car.
I was already parked. How can I hit his car when I'm already
His
parked?
car's been there since 9 o'clock this morning.
No, his car was not there.
Okay.
I called.
Listen,
I
Miss
talked
Irma.
to him.
Miss Irma, you're gonna have your day
Miss
in
Irma
court.
now? Miss Irma now?
I've been.
I have with Miss Irma now?
I've been respectful.
Oh, well, thank you for the
to this entire
designation.
time. But you'll have your day in court.
Well, that will be perfectly fine. And so will you.
Yes, I will. I'll be there.
I hope to be.
Not nice. We were doing so good.
No, we
being
ain't
nice.
doing no. We ain't got good. There was no good.
Okay.
Period. You ain't got good. Period with me. Ever. Is your camera on, Andrew? Is your Hello?
We're not.
Hello?
What's the problem?
I'm trying to talk to him, but he's ignoring me. I asked him a question. Is your camera on? Are you
Yes,
doing your job?
for the 15th
Is your camera
time.
on? Are you
Yes.
doing your job?
Yes.
I asked you to write up the report so my attorneys can see it.
Okay.
So why the f are you in here ignoring me?
Because I don't.
Do your job. Write the report up. Hello?
My report is done.
Hello?
You're gonna make him mad.
Make who mad?
Everybody in the house.
Well, pay attention.
My report is done.
Okay. You need to send it to my email so I can send it to my attorney.
No, ma'am.
Yes, I have that right.
No, ma'am.
Hello? I have rights. And I know them.
You do have rights.
Irma, I have admitted patients sitting here trying to arrest this guy.
I need for him
I want you
to
to listen.
do his
No,
job.
I don't. I need you to
I
quit
need for
screaming.
him to do his
You do
job.
not need to scream.
I need for him to do his job.
That's
I
what it takes.
need for him.
That's what it takes
I am
for
a
him to do
patient.
shit.
I am a patient in your hospital. I have rights, and I need for. And I
I'm telling
am in your
you-
hospital, and I am in his custody, and I need for him to do his job.
I got chest pain
When I-
patients on each side of you. Quit
I'm
screaming.
okay, fine.
Quit screaming. That's all I'm asking you.
Make him do his job.
I can't make him do his job. I have
Do his
nothing to do
job.
with him.
Do his job.
I don't have anything to do with him.
Make him do his job.
X-ray tech, I just moved him. He's gonna come do the
Make
X-ray
him
of
do
your
it.
shoulder,
Well,
and
come
then we can
on.
get you out
Let's
here.
go.
I'm trying to get him to come. Believe me.
He's sitting his ass here on Facebook.
I don't care what he's doing.
I don't give a fuck what he doing. He on
I need
I'm
you
a
to-
taxpayer and he on my time like he on your
need-
time. But he ain't finna sit his ass here and ignore
Lower
me.
your voice.
I will
Lower
lower
your
my
voice.
voice when I get the services that
What
I am
services are you not
designated.
getting?
I asked him to make sure he send that to my email so my attorney could get it. He said he want to ignore me.
That's not what I said. I said I'm not
No.
sending you anything
I
to your
asked you a
email.
question and you ignored me. You don't have the right to ignore me because I am a tax-paying citizen and I pay. Hold on, I pay my taxes.
I need you to lower your voice.
I need you to chill
Lower
out. Chill
your
out.
voice.
Chill out.
I'm chilled out. I
Okay.
need you to lower your voice.
Listen.
I don't need to listen. I need you to lower the voice.
Danny,
That's it.
Listen, Danny.
Lower.
You need to do your job.
I'm doing my
Don't
job.
sit your ass up in here and act like you ignore me. You want to ignore me? Take your ass out the door.
Nope.
So I don't have to see you.
Nope.
But as long as you're in here and I'm in your custody,
I don't have
you're
to
gonna do
talk
your
to you.
job.
I'm doing my
And
job.
that means that you need to be aware.
I'm aware.
You don't get to go to sleep. You don't get to on your Facebook. You don't get to be on your phone. You don't get none of that shit.
Okay. If that's how you feel.
That's
but,
exactly how I feel.
But you're not in charge of me.
I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care.
we're at an impasse because
I'm
you're not
at
going to
an impasse. What I am is a taxpaying person who's unjustly arrested. So I ain't no impasse.
I'm sorry you feel that way. It's an impasse. You don't control me.
My dollars do.
Okay, they really don't.
My dollars pay your salary.
Okay.
So
they
you
really
don't you don't get to sit your ass up on the phone and ignore the what I say.
Yes, I do.
You will not. I tell you what. Keep doing it.
What? Are you gonna scream and get kicked out of the hospital?
I don't give a fuck if you get out of the hospital in handcuffs. What the fuck I care?
Okay. Well, you're the one that's acting like a child right now.
I'm not acting like a child.
You are.
You need to pay attention.
I don't need
you
to
were
pay
not
attention
paying
to you.
attention. That's what you were not doing.
Okay. Well, I don't have to pay attention
And I have
to you.
an issue
I have
with
to make
that.
sure that you are safe in your custody.
You
Nothing
need to make
bad
sure
happens to you.
that your
You
ass
get
pay
hurt.
attention. Don't be on your phone on Facebook doing anything.
Okay.
That's what you need to do. Your
All
job.
right. Okay.
Back up.
Sure, absolutely. Get yourself back together then. Let the girls up.
Okay, put the girls up. All right. Get out of your car. I ain't getting out of my car. Because here's the thing. Black people that get out of their car with the police, they die.
That's
That's
very
the
racist.
truth. That is very the truth.
No.
So black people who get out of their car at the hands of the police, they typically die.
That's very racist.
No, it's not racist, it's the truth.
Okay.
Alright, we got good
Have
news
you
on the
seen it?
x-ray.
No, I don't want to know.
You don't want to know?
No.
Okay.
You can put it in my record.
Okay. That sounds good. So, I
I don't want to know because my personal physical history is my personal physical history.
Would you like me to leave? And then the doctor?
Absolutely.
All right.
Tracy,
As long as he's
out.
in here, then I am more than happy to leave.
Go out. Let's go.
Stop. I'm trying to double lock them so they don't get tighter.
They're already tight because I have small wrists.
Okay, well, you're not in charge here. I'm trying to get this done and get you to jail as fast as I possibly can.
Please, if you can get your ass out of my prison.
Okay, let's do it.
And you don't have to walk me like I'm a murderer because I'm not.
All right.
You ain't called the police on the two white men that hit my car, but you gonna come and arrest me. Okay, Bonnie.
The woman was charged with driving under the influence and resisting arrest.